Hello children, welcome to English class. Children, today we are going to start block 6, visualizing the story. This is our block name. Lesson number 1 is using pictures to imagine. Keywords are pictures, imagine. Yes children, by seeing the headings, what do you all are understanding? Visualizing the story. We have to just visualize the story. Okay children, if anything is given to you, just think of a dog. What you will do, you will just imagine, just close your eyes and think of a dog. Okay, so that is called visualizing. Mango, if I give you a fruit, mango, just visualize mango children. You close your eyes and you will think of mango. Mango is in yellow color, mango taste sweet. Okay children, that is called visualizing. Okay, using pictures to imagine. Now in this we have Pranav's story. That story we will read from reader, and we have to just imagine by seeing the pictures. Children, all of you now open your readers children. Yes, in the reader, if you see the cover page, here it has given Pranav's friends. Yes children, and if you see in this picture, we just imagine children what is there in the picture. Yes, two boys are playing. One in these two boys, one can be Pranav and his friend. One boy will be Pranav and his friends. Okay, Pranav's friends. Okay children, now let us see the pictures and just think of the story. Afterwards we will read the story. Yes children, open page number 35. Okay children, if you see here, pictures are given here. Yes, okay. So first picture, two boys are playing. Here the boy hits the ball very far. Now in this picture they are searching the ball. Yes, and here they got the ball. Turn the page. The other four pictures in the story are, yes, they are going, but this boy is stopping the other boy. Okay, in the picture they both of them sat under the tree, and here in this picture one of the boy is jumping, and here they are looking at the mangoes. Yes children, in the last picture these two boys are moving. Now let us with sorry children, now what we will do, we will just read the story. Okay, with the pictures, what do you all understand with the help of pictures? That two boys are playing. One of the boy hit the ball goes into the bushes, and they go and search for the ball. They found the ball. Again they sat under the tree and they are looking at the mangoes, and again they are moving. Okay children, so with the help of pictures we knew a little bit of story. Let us see what is the story given in the text also children. Okay, let us read the story. Children, pictures are helping us to understand the story or not? Yes, without reading anything we came to know that two boys are playing in a garden. Yes children, they hit the ball went inside the bushes, they searched the ball, they got the ball, again they sat under the tree, they are looking at the mangoes, and again they are going. With the pictures we understood this much children. Okay, so pictures also helps us to understand the story better. Yes children, keep the finger on the line. It was Pranav's turn to throw the ball. His friend Saket was batting. Yes, with the help of the picture we understood that two boys are playing. Yes, he is Pranav children, and the boy who is batting is Saket. Saket is Pranav's friend. Okay, come to the next para children. Saket hit the ball with the bat. Thwack. The ball flew into the bushes. Yes, now what Saket did? Saket hit the ball with the bat. Thwack. The ball flew into the bushes. When he hit the ball has gone into the bushes. Yes children, when you play also you will get the noise, no children? Tap, thwack, tush. Yes children, all these words while playing you will get. Yes, we have here thwalk. Okay, chalo, come to the next page. Okay, now here, yes, snap, crack, twigs broke and leaves fell on the ground. Oh no, said Pranav. Be careful not to hurt my friends. Saket was surprised. He could see only trees and bushes in Pranav's garden. Yes, now what happened? Snap, crack, twigs broke. Okay, children, when we walk in the garden or in on the dry leaves or twigs, what sound will get, children? Crick, crick. Yes, we'll get the sound like this. Yes. So Pranav is telling, oh no, please be careful not to hurt my friends. Here, who are the friends? Saket was surprised. Only Saket was there, no? He could see only trees and bushes in Pranav's garden. Okay, children, now let us see the next paragraph. But where were Pranav's friends? Pranav found the ball and patted the bushes. These bushes are my friends, Pranav said. All the trees are my friends, but I'm your friend, Saket said. Of course, you are. Pranav nodded. Okay, children. So, what Pranav did? Pranav patted the bushes, he touched the bushes, and he said, all these are my friends, all the trees are my friends. And Saket said, but I am your friend. Saket said, but I am your friend. Of course, you are my friend, Pranav told him. Okay, now slowly turn the page, children. But I talk to you and play with you, Saket said. And yesterday I shared my chocolate bar with you. That's what real friends do. Pranav pulled Saket under a tree. Listen, he whispered. Saket listened. The wind blew and he heard the tree say, Husha, husha, hush. But I talk to you and play with you, Saket said. And yesterday I shared my chocolate bar with you. That's what real friends do. Pranav pulled Saket under a tree. Listen, he whispered. Saket listened. The wind blew and he heard the tree say, Husha, husha, hush. Yes, children. So Saket is telling, but I talk to you, I play with you. Friends means we talk, we play. And yesterday I gave you chocolate bar also. That's real friends do know. So what Pranav did, Pranav pulled his hand and he said, uh, uh, listen, he whispered by taking him under a tree. And he said, Saket listened. The wind blew and he heard tree say, hush, hush, hush. Yes, when wind comes, how the sound of the wind we can see, children? Shh, shh. Yes. Yes, children. Now, next paragraph. My friend is inviting us to sit in his shade, Pranav said. And Pranav sat on the ground. Saket sat down too. The wind blew again. Some leaves fell on the boys. Yes, what happened? Pranav is telling, my friend is inviting us to sit in the shade. Okay, so Saket also sat down with him and the wind blew. Some leaves fell on the boys. Thump! Saket jumped as some twigs and sticks fell into his lap. Pranav laughed. Now my friend is teasing us, he said. Yes, what happened? Saket jumped. Tap! The sound came Some twigs and leaves fell into his lap. Pranav is telling, my friends trees are teasing us. Okay, children? Now, is that tree your friend too? Saket asked. He pointed to a tall tree across the garden. Pranav nodded. That is a mango tree and it shares all its sweet fruit with me in the summer. Just like I share my chocolate with you, said Saket, looking around the garden with a smile. Pranav was lucky to have so many friends. Okay, children, so now Pranav is telling, yes, this is also my friend. That is a tall mango tree. It shares its sweet fruit with me in summer. Just like I share my chocolate with you, Saket is telling, looking around the garden and is telling, you're so lucky, Pranav, to have many friends. The boys played in Pranav's garden all day. Saket always tried to hit the ball away from the bushes. As he was leaving, Saket waved goodbye to all the trees and bushes, and the trees are waved their branches and said, Hush, shusha, shusha, shh, to their new friend. Yes, children, the boys played in the Pranav's garden. Saket and Pranav played in the garden. But what Saket did, he tried not to hit the ball into the bushes, as he was also carrying the bushes. As he was leaving, Saket said goodbye to all the trees and bushes. They also waved. How they waved, children? Shusha, shusha, shoo. That sound they made and they waved bye to Saket. Okay, children, this was the story about Pranav's friend. Here, who are the Pranav's friend? Yes, Saket is his friend, but bushes and trees are his friends. And he told everything to Saket that he is having all the friends in the garden. And Saket also made friendship with them. Yes, children? Okay, so some new words we have learned here. The sounds of wind, children. Shusha, shusha, hush. And the sounds of when they are walking on the twigs, what sound they made? Snap, crack. And when Saket jump, what sound he make? Thump. Okay, children, these are the new words we have learnt in the story. So this was the story of Pranav's friend. Now, children, all of you all open your workbook, children, page number 36. Write today's date, S1, using pictures to imagine. Use the pictures to write a sentence. Children, here 3 pictures are given, A, B, C. If you see A picture, Saket is hitting the ball. If you see this picture, okay, Pranav is telling to be careful, don't hurt my friends. Here they are sitting under the tree. You can take the help of reader, children. Yes, children, you can take the help of reader. Okay, and then same picture is given in the reader. Here sentence is also given. You can write that sentence or you can write what sentence I have given you. Saket hit the ball with the bat. First picture. Saket hit the ball with the bat. Second picture is be careful not to hurt my friends. Be careful not to hurt my friends. Okay, children, with the help of reader, you can write the sentences. Pranav and Saket are sitting on the ground under the tree. Pranav and Saket, okay, are sitting on the ground under the tree. Children, now come to the second bit, children. What does the sentence say? Draw it. Saket waved goodbye to all the trees and bushes. Okay, the sentence is telling us Saket waved goodbye to all the trees and bushes. Yes, this is the last picture, children. In the reader, it has given. Okay, children. So you can just see the picture and you can draw. Here you can draw Saket waving to the plants and trees, bushes and trees. Okay, children. See, children, here I have drawn. Let me make it dark. It is light, no? Let me make it dark, children. Yes, children, like this you have to draw a boy waving. Saket waved goodbye to the trees and bushes, like this. Okay, take the help of reader, children. In reader, clear picture is given. You can see and draw. Okay, children. All of you, what you have to do is take out your notebook, your classwork. Yes, write here date and then with the color pencil and scale put double margin like this and write down block 6 Pranav's friends. Okay, children, and then you have to write in the next line keywords. Keywords is subheading, that also you have to underline with color pencil. First one, surprised, SURPRISED, surprised. Next, nodded, NODDED, nodded. Patted, PATTED, patted. Whispered, WHISPERED, whispered. Thwack, THWACK, thwack. Snap, SNAP, snap. Crack, CRACK, crack. Thump, THUMP, thump. Next, last one is shush, SHUSH, shush. Okay, children, write the keywords neatly in your classwork book. Yes, children, all of you, complete your classwork, complete your workbook, write neatly. Okay, children, all of you, after writing your homework, click a picture, send it in the WhatsApp group for your attendance. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Meet you in the next class.